The Soundcore Life Q35. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Soundcore Life Q35, which is an updated version of the Life Q30. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, audio cable, and an airplane adapter, and a storage case. The headphone features 40 hours of listening time. 5 minutes of charge will give you 4 hours. Bluetooth 5.0 and NFC. It has app integration with EQ settings. 40mm drivers, high-res audio, button and touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and transparency. This comes in 2 color options. This is the Obsidian Blue version, and it also comes in a frosted pearl. Just like the Q30, the design and feel is the same. Very light and flexible. The ear cups swivel out and you can see the ear indicators inside. They also fold in for easy storage. The ear cups have an ample amount of padding and they're very soft. You also get a good amount at the top of the headband. Taking a look at the band, you have a shiny metal finish and the lower part has the Soundcore branding on each side. There's a good amount of travel on each side for the adjustments levels, and they click into place. And you can also see how flexible it is, so this should have no issues fitting a variety of head sizes. Taking a look at the outer face of the left ear cup, it has a logo, and you'll find the following controls: the ANC button, microphone, LED, power button, and USB-C charge port. The right side has a logo as well, and you'll have access to the volume controls, track controls, multi-function button, microphone, the transparency touch, and the auxiliary port. And just like the previous models, this has app integration, which allows you to control the ANC features, access EQ presets or custom presets, along with 11 white noise sounds, and of course the general settings to update firmware. The headphones weigh in at 268 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Life Q35 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the headphones. Just like the previous version, the overall comfort was excellent. Very lightweight and the clamping force was just right. They don't feel too tight or too much pressure. Padding was adequate on the ear cups and headband, and you can definitely wear them for extended periods of time. Build and quality is solid, they feel durable, and once folded they're easy to store and carry. The color is sharp along with the subtle branding on the headband and ear cups. Button controls responded well and they're easy to navigate, along with toggling the transparency feature by just tapping on the right ear cup. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 40 hours. App integration is a plus, and you have access to a variety of presets along with customization. The ANC feature performs as advertised, and you can choose from transport, outdoor, and indoor depending on your environment. It canceled out the surrounding noises very well. The transparency feature did a good job picking up your surroundings when activated, and it's easy to toggle by just tapping on the right ear cup. Now when it comes to sound, all I can say is that it performed. The bass is prominent, it comes in deep, punchy, and tight. Definitely not lacking, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in very crisp and clean. Vocals and instruments stand out, and there's good separation. You also have the option to tailor your listening experience by selecting from the EQ presets. It was very pleasant as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, this is a great upgrade from the previous model. Sounds and features performed. It definitely is worth it in my opinion, and can easily be a good alternative to headphones costing 2 to 3 times as much. So that is my review of the Soundcore Life Q35 Bluetooth headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.